If you are interested in investing in cryptocurrencies, then you must have been aware of the 20% increase in the ANKR coins. But something fishy is happening with the ANKR coins. What is it? What are the things that investors should know about the ANKR coins? Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Crypto Channel. Today we are going to know about some recent updates of ANKR Coin pumps over 20%. Will it continue? Before we proceed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video. Let's explore more now. Essential details about the ANKR coins. This is a domestic token of the ANKR network, as compared with the AMP token, which was up nearly 12%. The ANKR tokens were up by less than 1% over 24 hours. ANKR tokens allows its users to reduce the risk that can arise with the usage of centralized providers. This token makes use of edge devices, idle computing resources throughout data centers, and a pack of advanced techniques. Thus, the ANKR token network is a distributed computing platform. ANKR token was first founded in November of the year 2017. This discovery took place at Berkeley University in California, which also utilizes the benefits of blockchain technologies. ANKR Network is a platform that claims to make building and developing dApps, hosting nodes, and staking simple, affordable, and smooth. During its period in the public market, which was powered by the native ANKR token, the ANKR token has built its marketplace for some unique cloud services. This was done by using certain shared resources. The ANKR token is really useful to pay for special services available on the ANKR platform. However, the ANKR token is unique because these tokens utilize the idle computing power from data centers and all the devices as a whole, which in turn increases its efficiency and enables a coherent sharing economy. As mentioned earlier, the ANKR tokens will be useful in paying for some services available on the ANKR platform, which includes API services and node deployment. You can also participate in on-chain governance, and one can act as collateral for network participants. Why should one invest in ANKR tokens as soon as possible? You will get to know some amazing terms and unbelievable investments that are available when one invests in ANKR coins. If you are not ready to believe it, you can do some research too. It will be a smart move if one invests in ANKR tokens. Moreover, the price of the token has sat in the same place at very level post-breakout before rising to the next step higher. An important note for the investors. Investors with optimistic aims can find an entry spot near the retest of the 0.080 mark. The price of ANKR tokens may shortly reach some good altitudes of 0.093 before facing revulsion from a resistance level. Talking about the resistance level, it is between 0.093 and 0.12 cents, which is less than the current market price of the ANKR token. Moreover, the unlikely fall of the price of ANKR tokens might find help at the 0.066 and 0.050 cents levels. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, indicator projects some positive and increasing sentiments as the RSI line spikes out greater steps and moves just beneath the oversold zone. The Average Directional Movement Index indicators project a dim rise in trend momentum. On a brief note, the price of ANKR token coins is close to being overbought, along with an increasing trend momentum, projecting a high possibility of an optimistic rally. After the crypto crash, ANKR tokens survived and even returned with a substantial value of 800% in 2021, whereas on the other hand, Bitcoin fell below $30,000. For a varied insight, the S&P 500 of the United States of America has only gained 13%. As of June 2021, it was stated that ANKR was 65% below its all-time high of 0.225 cents from March 2021. But there was a rise of 55%, which was like a break-the-ice moment in the history of ANKR. This came along with a demand for the token of nearly 0.055 cents. This sudden hike, in turn, resulted in a V-shaped, which happened in the next step, following the breakout of the 200-day-long EMA. The recent update of Doji in the daily chart is related to the fall of 30% in the intraday trading volume. As a result of these recent updates, the price of ANKR coins in the market can be expected to hit the mark of 0.080 cents before moving forward with the uptrend. Here is another interesting fact about ANKR tokens. The price of ANKR tokens rose from a low mark of about 0.055 cents to reach the big altitudes of about 0.090 cents in the past 7 days. That is from 24 July to the 1st of August. Currently, the ANKR token price is 0.083 cents, with a rise in the market capital of plus 3.92%. How to buy ANKR stock online. Before we move into the topic, one should make clear the core point that ANKR is a cryptocurrency, not a stock. Now we will know more about a few options. In the first place, we have the Coin Trader, which facilitates exponential buying and selling of the cryptocurrencies. Talking about the special features available on CoinKong, it has robust security, excellent customer support, transparent fee charges, and a lot more, which altogether make this platform one of the best options for newcomers. Another trading software named SafeMoon Trader has a special feature of offering a panoramic set of cryptocurrency coins that includes Bitcoin, SafeMoon, etc. A brief history about ANKR token and ANKR Network. Talking about the price history of ANKR Network is a step-by-step, slow, and steady process, as a lot of people started to exploit the ANKR platform for its usefulness. ANKR tokens grew gradually from an all-time deep and miserable point of 0.000895 cents as of the third month of 2020 to its present price in the market of 0.17 cents, representing an increase of 16,659% within just 1 year. A significant and leading contributory factor to an increase in ANKR's recent price is its listing on Coinbase, which is the largest cryptocurrency exchange site in the United States of America. A short note about the technical analysis of the ANKR network. A price chart about the ANKR's price portrayed a strong, optimistic movement in the first 4 months of 2021, with an all-time hike of 0.22 cents in March of 2021. We would have watched that the opening price of ANKR in January 2021 at 0.0085 cents and was gradually growing to 0.22 cents in March, representing a 2,488% rise that took place at the beginning of 2021, and a 24,481% growth from its last ever recorded low price of 0.000895 cents in March 2020. This was an impressive 1-year price increase. When will ANKR reach $10, and what is expected in turn? A lot of the ANKR holders have a positive belief that they will become millionaires when the crypto reaches $10. To reach that milestone, ANKR has to rise to a hike of 12,000%. Huge number, right? But some predictions, done by experienced researchers, give us a little hope that there are chances for the token to hit $10 in just 5 years, though it has been gradually increasing with a monthly rate of 80% over the past year. If it manages to maintain that same pace, it can reach $10 as early as 2022. As the ANKR coins are limited to a total supply of 10 billion, currently we have nearly 7 billion ANKR tokens in circulation. As of 2021, the price of the token is about 0.077 cents. But it is great to know the market value, which sums up to about $540 million. Thus, you would have got enough info about ANKR coin pumps over 20%, and what's the future of ANKR coins. If you are satisfied with this video, like this video, Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to tap the bell icon to stay updated with our posts. If you think that AMP tokens are better than ANKR, then comment #AMP tokens. If not, and you think that ANKR coins are better, then comment #ANKR tokens in the comments section and develop a healthy conversation there. Feel free to type your opinions and suggestions in the comments section. Stay awesome!